to anything. Just start like
Hey, what's up, nature lovers? We just started the trail. It's about 6.5 miles. Here on the trail, we're having a happy camper time. There's birds and bees everywhere. It's kind of hot. What is it, like 4th day of summer? We're already hitting the ground running, and it's beautiful. So we're heading back down. Gonna go make some brownies. I'm excited.
Sensitive roots.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're done and we're dead tired. I don't know. We finished hiking for what, like 4 hours, and we're pooped out.
To say the least.
We're pooped out, to say the least.
I could climb that tree.
You know, had a good breakfast.
Yeah, we made it. We had an insane breakfast.
Then just a nice long hike.
We had a pretty good hike.
We did run out of water on the hike.
Oh.
Swinging on the hammock. I got the tree.
Oh.
Yeah, that was good addition. Good addition. Wait, we need like this. Uh-oh.
We got a small fire going.
Yes.
Who did that? That was me. You like it?
Beautiful.
We just need to give it to really.
Just give it fuel. Give it fuel.
Right. It's hungry.
Okay. If you just like lay it, will it fall?
Excuse me?
Oh, that'll do it.
Oh, jeez. Get in the fire.
Okay. 3 hours.
Oh yeah, let's like make it burn slower. Like it's. Alright. That's the problem. No.
It's slanted.
It's gonna roll.
You have to do it the other way. She's the other way.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Nah.
That's what these things are designed for, is hot dogs.
Oh,
No,
yes.
it isn't. That's not what
Exactly.
this
Wants
Yes,
a
they
hot dog.
are.
Who wants a hot dog? Who
That's
wants a hot
literally
dog? You
no.
want
I want one, yeah.
one? Yeah.
Brian, we'll start the grill
I do
later.
not eat. I do not eat.
Honestly, I'm kind of tempted to put in this now.
Brian?
Not.
Brian, hot dog?
I'll think about it.
Brian, hot dog?
I'll think about
hot dog,
it.
Brian?
I'll think about it.
Be designed for hot
That
dogs.
is not what it's designed for.
Because they make them perfect size. It's standard.
No.
Look at how nice it looks. I can see stuff on that.
Yes, fine.
Jack, you germophobic.
We got a big boy fire going.
One for turkey.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah, I'll turkey.
One went AWOL.
R&B singer.
Here you go, Brian. Here you go.
Oh wow, tomato.
I'll just leave it here for you.
Thank you. Today we're going to show you guys how to make brownies using a Dutch oven.
Brian, this is impossible to make.
It's gonna be great.
No, it's not. You've a leather apron. You have a leather apron.
No,
Oh, you don't.
I don't.
It's not gonna work then.
Right.
It's straight petroleum jelly. Bon appetit. That's gonna
Game days.
Little sparks flying.
Oh yeah.
How's it going? Looks like a-
So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking the blood and putting it in a sort of sacrificial vessel.
Exciting music.
Put some like smooth jazz.
Okay, there's 6. Is that like an even pattern? Yeah.
But literally just goes there.
Ooh, I didn't realize that
All right. Oh.
Do you think it's done?
Yeah, probably.
Why don't you poke it?
It might be come out in pieces, unfortunately. But
Scoop ourselves. Look at that! Look at that well-made brownie.
Just stop.